Damon, would you turn the lights off?
Yeah.
No one will have seen me out here. Now, let's try this thing out. I don't know why I didn't think of this before. If the deep sea had...
What's skipping?
Just
Not skipping.
welcome back.
This barbertech industry so get me there before anybody else.
Okay, so
Anyway,
I'm reacting to
I had to
Right,
give Zach a certificate for a lifetime supply of deep sea cuisine for it. But the rest of those creatures are all mine. Onto my own personal
Wow.
deep sea.
so very convincing. Like I think we don't need that much in things. Anyways, so I'm gonna be over here, guys.
Okay, we're passing the 650 foot mark, entering the twilight zone. We're only feet about the sunlight can reach them, and the pressure will crush our heads.
You love pancakes, but not human pancakes.
The fuck? Touched
Hey, let's get out there. We gotta see what that head is all about.
Okay, thanks to my new technology.
That was supposed to be loud.
out there.
And we went in the
There's a special kind of fat in their cells
Oh,
that
that was pretty
miraculously
good.
keeps them from getting crushed. I
just
developed a
spin today.
similar technology for this ship. And I also updated the amphicells.
50. That's
You could use that for exploratory missions.
that's really good.
Yeah!
That I love.
All right! Ready to deploy!
Oh, whoa. That was hard.
This docking board has
Whoa. Shit.
miniaturized! Hello, Barrel Eyes. You look at us. I don't know. What are those green cylinders
Hey.
about? Whoa! Their eyes!
isn't that right
Now
now?
he's looking at us! We can straight up. What is that? That's cool. Oh yeah, those black things are actually his nostrils for smelling. So Crazy Eyes, what's up? Why are you always looking up?
Okay,
He
so
looks up into light. Jellyfish.
that's the video for today, guys. Hope y'all have a wonderful day.
Oh,
Peace.
wow. The jellyfish caught some little copepods in his tentacles. And now